Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of Hertz ECX 165.5. It's a Coax speaker 6.5 by Hertz. This speaker have 210 watts peak, around 70 watt RMS. So this speaker is quite expensive for its price. In Malaysia you possibly bought it around 500 ringgit and above, something like that. If you get a good deal, you can post below. But this speaker definitely not a cheap speaker. It's very expensive compared to Sony and certain JVC model. So this is quite a high-end speaker. In Hertz actually we have I think 4 model, starting from DC, and then it goes up to Energy, then Energy goes up to iEnergy, then the highest is the melee version. So this is the, I think, the mid class, but of course it will perform as good. 75 watts of RMS amplifier should power this guy very good. So possibly you can power it using Sony GS4 high resolution amplifier, should work with this. So let's open it up. The speaker comes with styrofoam protecting the speaker. You have 2 of these units inside the box. One is a self-tapping screw, and then let's see the driver itself. It's pretty heavy actually. So this Coax speaker, I believe, is a 6.5. You have 1-inch tweeter in the middle, and you have a rubber surround and a paper cone. So it rated around 210 watts maximum, 70 watts of RMS at 4 ohms. The tweeter itself is a moving direction based tweeter, so you can redirect the tweeter to which angle listening you are. So Hertz call it RHFC, rotary high frequency countering system, something like that if I don't miss. And then now Hertz says that this tweeter have a built-in crossover. Not sure where they put it because I don't see it anywhere behind the magnet. So possibly it's a small cap, possibly be under this tweeter in case together with this tweeter possibly. So Hertz is actually a high quality car hi-fi manufacturer, so I believe they do what they do. They claim this one to be smooth transition between frequency. So I will do another video on the sound result after installing this guy. So see you then in the next channel.